How to fix challenge required on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Now the first method is open up your recent app manager. Now close Instagram and restart Instagram on a device. If it still doesn't fix the issue, go to the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now simply search. Now tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on update. Now go to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now find Instagram. Now simply tap on it and click on force stop. Then go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now simply tap on delete and restart the application. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.